Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Agarwal's new launch project named as Aram, located in Bandra East, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, right at the actual land parcel. Behind me is the actual land parcel of the project, and also you can see the main road and the neighborhood of the project. Also, you can see the project is located right opposite to Sri Ram Mandir. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.36 acres that will have one tower of ground plus 21 story, having 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK residences. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Kher Nagar opposite to Sri Ram Mandir, Bandra East, from where Western Express Highway is only at a distance of 2 minutes, Bandra Railway Station is only at a distance of 5 minutes, Bandra Terminus is only at a distance of 10 minutes, BKC is only at a distance of 10 minutes, and you have Mumbai International Airport only at a distance of 20 minutes from the project. And now talking about the amenities with gym, jogging track, senior citizen zone, kids play area and many more amenities. Now talking about the carpet area and configuration, as said, this project has 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 363 to 461 square feet and 2 BHK in the carpet area of 518 to 592 square feet. Also, Jodi options are available. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Aram by Agarwal located in Bandra East.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.